Hey, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of working for someone else and ready to be your own boss? Well, you've come to the right place because today we're going to share with you 5 amazing businesses you can start from the comfort of your own home using ChatGPT. First on our list is creating low-content journals. These types of journals have a simple layout with pages that include checklists, grids, or other design elements. Some examples include gratitude journals, habit trackers, fitness planners, and budget planners. Just take a look at this gratitude journal on Amazon. It has very little text, and it makes over $4,000 a month with 466 monthly sales. And with the help of ChatGPT, coming up with low-content journal ideas is a breeze, and it can also assist you in writing the content for each page. Once your journal is complete, you can sell it on Amazon Depot through your own website. Second on our list is creating your own card game. This card game on Amazon makes almost $700,000 a month. That's over $8 million a year. And with ChatGPT's help, coming up with creative ideas for your card game and specific content for each card is easy. It can also assist you in creating a step-by-step business plan by asking you questions about your business goals and guiding you through the process of setting up and launching your own card game. Once your card game is ready, you can find and contact manufacturers or sell it through platforms like Amazon and eBay. Third on our list is social media management. With social media platforms becoming more and more popular each year, more businesses are in need of a social media presence. As a result, there's an increasing demand for social media management services. You can offer your services directly to businesses or create gigs on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. And with the help of ChatGPT, you can develop a content strategy and write engaging social media posts and captions. But keep in mind, social media management also involves tasks such as choosing and editing images and responding to comments, which will still require your personal attention and effort. Next on our list is writing YouTube scripts. Any type of storytelling or educational channel needs to have a well-written script before filming a video. Writing a YouTube script can take up a lot of time, and that's why a lot of YouTubers will at times hire someone to do it for them. With the help of ChatGPT, you can write YouTube scripts in minutes. Simply describe the topic of the video and ChatGPT will do the work for you. And if you're not happy with the script after it's done, you can ask ChatGPT to make it longer, shorter, more detailed, funnier, and much more. Last but not least is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for each sale. It's a simple way to make money online, and with the help of ChatGPT, it can be even easier. ChatGPT can assist you in finding products to promote and creating high-converting marketing campaigns. So those are the 5 businesses you can start from the comfort of your own home using ChatGPT. With the help of this tool, you can turn your passion into a profitable business in no time. Leave a comment down below if you want more information on any of these businesses, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this.